Hello everybody. So today I will help you to balance about organic chemistry. The the topic today is about how to balance the equation about combustion, and this means we have the organic chemistry in here. We use the oxygen to burn them, and we release about carbon dioxide and the water. And in here we know that many students they don't know how to balance this equation, so I will show the technique for you. So when we see about the organic chemistry, we need to concentrate the carbon on the left. That's the number we need to know. For example, we have carbon and hydrogen in here. We have number 4 and we have number 10. So when they burn in the oxygen, they will release the carbon dioxide in here. So we have number 4, and in here the number should be number 4 too, because we have 4 carbon and the rotor should be 4. So if it is about number 5, then this should be number 5. So about the hydrogen, if you see the hydrogen in here, you always divide by 2, because we have 2 hydrogen in the water, so that we have use this number divide by 2, and you got about number 5 in here. So that's the first step. The second step, we have the number 4 in here, and we have 2 oxygen. We have this one, and we have number 5 in here. So we will calculate how many oxygen on the right. So we have number 4 of the carbon always multiply with number 2 plus number 5 from the hydrogen divide by 2. So we got about 13. After we calculate all the oxygen on the right, we have number 13. We just divide by 2. Because 13 divided by 2 multiplied with 2, you got about 13 in here. So after that, if we got about the equation like this, we multiply everything with number 2, so that this one they will eliminate number 2 in here, and in this one, that's the number 2 in the organic, and this number 4 they will change to number 8. And number 5 in here, they will change to become number 10. So we just clean everything, and we have the balance in here: 2C4H10, 13 oxygen, 8 carbon dioxide, and 10 water, H2O. So this is the technique how to balance the organic chemistry. That's the end. Thank you for watching.